In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to master Stain in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the main ways of acquiring mastery progress with Stain and how you can easily get this done. So first, I'm gonna go over all of the ways in which you will be able to get mastery progress and the best way at the end. So first, there are three main ways for you to get this. One is going to be by just killing other players. So you will notice that I am recording this video on a private server, which means that I will not be able to get progress here by killing this dummy. But if you had someone else with you and you defeated them, usually on public servers, mastery would be earned. So every time that you kill a player, you will get from 0.25% to 0.5% mastery. So essentially, after you kill 3 to 4 players, you will get 1%. So in total, it is going to be around 400 players. Alternatively, you can also get mastery progress by talking to this NPC here. So if you go away from the leaderboard through the opposite side and you go over to this little hut, you will be able to find the Game Pass shop and then this NPC leaning against this pillar. By talking to this NPC, he is going to give you one of 3 daily quests. You will notice that I already got mine, so he isn't going to give me another one, but when you get a quest, you just have to complete the objective. So here is an example of an objective. Awaken 3 times and you will get this amount of mastery. So if I were to do this process and awaken 3 times, I would earn 5% mastery. And the next day, he is going to give me a new quest and I can keep repeating it for more and more mastery. The last option that you have is going to be by killing Namu. Namu is a boss that can spawn on public or private servers, and by participating in the battle against him, you will be able to earn mastery points. You don't have to be on the top 3 to earn mastery, but if you are, you will get a little bit of a bonus. So if you are the number 1 that did the most amount of damage, you will get 13%. If you are number 2, you will get 10%, and maybe you will get slightly less if you are below the 1st and 2nd places. But these are the main ways to earn mastery. The best way is usually going to be to get an alt or a friend in a public server and farm them. Keep in mind that doing this on a private game will not give you mastery. I hope I was able to help you on how to master Stain in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.